Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This comparison is based on my personal experience using both platforms. In this video, we're comparing Goldman Sachs and Ally Bank to help you decide which one best suits your financial needs. Let's explore their features, target audiences, and key differences. Goldman Sachs, a renowned global investment banking institution, provides a suite of financial products through its Marcus platform. These offerings encompass high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, and personal loans. Marcus caters to individuals looking for substantial returns on their savings and easily managed personal loans, all delivered through a digitally focused platform. If you prioritize a straightforward, high-yield savings account or a personal loan with competitive rates, Goldman Sachs is an excellent choice. The platform's strong online presence makes it especially convenient for those who prefer managing their finances digitally, eliminating the need for a physical branch. On the other hand, Ally Bank operates as a fully online bank offering a comprehensive range of banking products. These include high-yield savings accounts, checking accounts, CDS, and auto loans. Ally Bank is recognized for its user-friendly interface and customer-centric philosophy, featuring no monthly maintenance fees, competitive interest rates, and 24/7 customer support. It's designed for those who embrace a completely digital banking experience with minimal fees. Ally's products are perfect for individuals seeking a comprehensive, low-cost banking solution that combines traditional banking services with high earning potential. The primary distinction between Goldman Sachs and Ally Bank lies in their banking approach. While Goldman Sachs emphasizes high-return savings and personal loans, Ally Bank offers a broader spectrum of everyday banking services, including checking accounts and auto loans. With no maintenance fees and a readily accessible digital interface, Ally provides a well-rounded experience. Goldman Sachs is better suited for those seeking specific financial products like savings accounts or loans, whereas Ally offers a more complete, fee-free banking experience. In conclusion, if your priority is a simple, high-yield savings account coupled with a robust digital platform, Goldman Sachs is a strong contender. However, if you require a full-service online bank offering checking, savings, and other services without hidden fees, Ally Bank is likely the better option. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information. Let us know in the comments which bank you prefer.